All right, now I would like to welcome Robert Summers with the Grand Traverse Area Manufacturing Council to the stage, please, for some quick updates.
All right, good evening, everybody. My name is Rob Summers. I'm with the Grand Traverse Area Manufacturing Council, here to give you guys a quick update on the Manufacturing Summit. So today, we already had it. I'm sorry, guys. If you didn't make it, you missed it, but we'll do it again next year. We had the 6th Annual Northern Michigan Manufacturing Summit. So this is an event that brings together about 130 leaders and engineers and process folks from our local businesses here, normally to talk about technology. So super exciting day. We had a lot of demonstrations today. I've got Dan Burseth here from Eckhart USA, who came up as our keynote speaker. Their business demonstrated an autonomous guided vehicle used in industrial applications, so pretty cool, starting to replace forklift, traffic, and other part conveyance systems. Also demonstrated collaborative robot technology, which is a new and emerging technology in industry, as well as Parasense, who does a lot of digital sensor applications. So cool and exciting day here today. But one message I want to leave this group with here is, I continue to talk about manufacturing and technology, and the confluence of this group and our manufacturing sector here in Northern Michigan is really compelling. Most of our businesses here started because of some kind of an entrepreneurial idea, which is why we have an extremely diverse manufacturing industry in Northern Michigan. So manufacturing is moving, it's moving forward quick, propelled by the nodes of Industry 4.0. So for those of you that aren't familiar with that term, really encompasses a lot of the new technology nodes, cloud-based computing, machine learning, things in the physical space like collaborative robots. Additive manufacturing falls into that as well. And manufacturing is a big deal. Manufacturers produce nearly $1.9 trillion worth of goods annually in the United States. I brought that stat up earlier today for our audience at the summit. We're the second largest producer of goods globally, behind China, which produces 2 trillion of goods with 10 times as many people. So how do we compete? We compete with technology and smart people doing hard work every day. So encourage you guys, if you're interested in the manufacturing space, contact me, contact the Grand Traverse Area Manufacturing Council. We love to see these paths converge when it makes sense. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.